Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and this is the CoolPad 3 Plus, the budget smartphone that has been launched by CoolPad recently, and it has some very interesting features which you would probably not find on phones in this budget. First thing, it comes with this water drop notch, and second is that it comes with an HD display. Third is that it comes with a fingerprint scanner. And what is the price of this phone? It starts at 5,999 for 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory variant. However, this is the 3 plus 32 GB variant or the higher variant, which is at 6,499 or 6,500 rupees. In this video, I'm going to quickly unbox this and show you the phone and tell you whether this is a good value for your money or not. Some of the key features are mentioned here on the box before I unbox, so let me show you. It is 5.71 inch HD plus display screen here. It has a MediaTek Helio A22, which is a quad-core 2 GHz processor. It comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera. There is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera as well. There is a face unlock as well as fingerprint unlock, 3000 mAh battery, and Android 9.0 version, which comes preloaded onto this. So quite a lot of features in this price segment. A very small compact packaging, which is also interesting. These days we see large boxes, but this one is quite compact, which is good. And here in the box, the first thing that we get is the phone itself. So here it is. It comes in this shiny gradient finish, and it says CoolPad, designed by CoolPad in Dallas, USA. It comes with the plastic layer in the front, so that I have removed. Let me remove the sticker. And also this compliance sticker at the bottom. And this is how it looks. The phone gets a 5.71 inch HD plus display, which is at front here, and on the right hand side you can see the power wake up key followed by the volume rocker. On top there is 3.5mm audio port, and on this side is the SIM tray. On the bottom there is charging port and two grills. On the rear is a 13 megapixel AI enabled camera with LED flash, and there is also a fingerprint scanner. And on the front is an 8 megapixel front facing camera, and there is this earpiece. Let me show you what else is in the box, and then we'll move further with this quick unboxing. Here you also get a back cover, which is included. This is a soft transparent back cover, a screen protector or a plastic screen guard, which is included, some documentation, warranty guide, and there's also another small section here which has a wall charger, and this is a 5V 1A or a 5W charger. And here you get a SIM removal tool and a data cable. Please note that there are no earphones bundled with this phone. Let me also quickly pop up the SIM tray and show you the SIM configuration here. Here you have a dual SIM hybrid system, so you can either use two SIM cards or one SIM and one micro SD card, but not both at the same time. So you have to choose whether you want to expand the memory or use two SIMs with the CoolPad 3 Plus. Let me quickly set this phone up and come back very fast. We have set up the phone quickly, and this is how the screen looks like. The screen quality looks alright. The brightness is around 80% here, so if I just turn it up to 100%, this is how bright it gets. It's fairly bright for usual outdoor usage. You have to keep it somewhere around 70 to 80% to have a decent amount of brightness here. Let me show you the fingerprint unlock. It's not very fast, but it's not very slow as well. There's also face unlock, and it also works fine. So I just turned on the display, and now I looked at the phone and it unlocked. So the face unlock also works fine. Now let's test the cameras here. There is a 13 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front. So let's see how good they are when it comes to taking pictures. There is also AI mode, so if I just click here, Let's also try the front facing camera. When we are in the rear camera mode, you can see that there is video, a photo, beauty, and there's something called face cute, and there is something called bokeh mode. And bokeh mode is probably just a software based bokeh. And now let me show you the results that we have got. This is the bokeh shot that we tried. It is trying to blur out some of the sections of the image, but it has blurred out almost the same plane. So bottom of this subject has been blurred out, which is not too good. This is a 8 megapixel front facing camera selfie, which has come out to be decently good. The color accuracy is good, and the detailing is also fairly acceptable considering that this is a budget phone. This image quality is actually pretty acceptable. This is the AI shot that I took, and this is without AI. You can see that the colors are probably slightly different, but more or less the image quality is the same. The focus is probably on this object in the background, because I can see that this area on the image is more sharp compared to the front object, which is probably a missed focus here. But overall the image comes out to be sharp and crisp and clear. So the cameras here are doing a good enough job. You get Android 9 right out of the box, and there is 2 or 3 GB of storage that you get as standard. In terms of software, you can see that it runs Android 9 right out of the box, so that is sorted. It gives you a decent enough phone with a good design, and it comes with this gradient style. However, it is quite reflective and attracts fingerprint at the back. This is plastic, not metal or not glass, and it does look a good buy overall in around 6,000 rupees budget, because it has a sorted design. It has the basic features that you would want from a phone, and it does the job. You also have many alternatives in this price segment, so you can check out the competition as well. But if you want to pick up a Coolpad 3 Plus for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. This is all we have on our first impressions, a quick unboxing of the Coolpad 3 Plus. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.